Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag. Sometimes Instagram Reels may lag while playing or uploading, and this can happen due to several reasons, such as a weak internet connection, too much storage or cache on your phone, or data usage and media quality settings inside the app. When Reels lag, they might pause, buffer, or take a long time to upload, which can be frustrating. The good thing is that Instagram gives you some options in the settings to improve performance. You can adjust the data saver and media quality settings to make Reels play and upload more smoothly. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now, search for media, and then tap on data usage and media quality. Here, turn the toggle on for data saver. This reduces how much data Instagram uses, which can help prevent Reels from lagging. Then make sure the toggle for upload at highest quality is off. Keeping this off ensures videos don't take too long to process or play due to very high resolution. Once you've adjusted these settings, go back and refresh your feed. This should make your Reels run more smoothly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.